Hi, to factory reset your Google Pixel Watch free via recovery mode. As a first step, make sure that battery level on the watch is no less than 30%. You can check it if you just swipe down from watch face and take a look at this icon. Now we need to turn off the watch by pressing this crown button so we can see power off menu on the screen. And from here, click to power off your watch. Now, when it will be completely turned off, you need to hold crown button, but once you see Google logo appears on the screen, you will need to touch at the same time this down right corner and upper left corner like that. Let me show you this step by step. So now I'm holding just button, and now I'm touching the sides. And we just entered fast boot mode. So to go through its menu, use side button, which is located right here. And to confirm choice, press this crown button. I'm gonna press side button. And here we need to scroll through the list to find the recovery mode. Press crown button to enter recovery mode. And now wait a few seconds till it will load. Once you see this no command screen, you need to hold crown button and swipe up on the screen like this. You can repeat it several times if something's not working. And yep, this is the recovery mode. So here you can see some options such as reboot system and so on, but we need to scroll till factory reset. So again, use your side button to go through the list and pick this last option, which is swipe data and factory reset, and press crown to confirm. Now you need to select factory data reset and confirm by pressing this crown. And as you can see, now it is formatting data, so we are just waiting. And yep, now it erased all data, so select this option to reboot system now. And after that, your watch will turn off, and just in a few moments, it will turn back on, and you will need to set it up with the phone again. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.